So, considering that Omicron spreads so quickly, because look at the jump in number of cases. We've reached 8,000 cases from about 300 cases just in a matter of a few days, I think 14 odd days. Do you foresee or would you think that we need restrictions? And this is the big question, sir. Are we going to come back to more restrictions than we have currently? I know right now public spaces are shut from 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. Are you mulling restrictions on things like restaurants, spas, salons, malls, etc., gatherings?
Like I always say that there is no need to push the panic button, or there is no need to create panic among citizens. But having said that, at the same time, I repeatedly say that we cannot be complacent, we cannot lower our guard, and we cannot take it casually that this Omicron is not very serious, it's very mild, because the numbers can be mind-boggling. In fact, the experts tell me that these numbers virtually double up in 3 or 4 days' time. We are preparing ourselves for maybe 15,000 cases coming in the coming week, in after 5-7 days, and cases may further jump every day. So unless you have a certain kind of strict COVID appropriate behavior, people wearing masks, not gatherings not allowed, and people using all of the precautions, these numbers can suddenly go out of control. And for that point of view, certain restrictions are required. For example, from today, we have decided to close the schools in Mumbai from class 1 to class 8 till 31st of Jan 2022. And class 9 to class 12, since we started vaccination drive today morning, and we have to vaccinate almost 4.5 lakh children between the age group of 15 and 18, class 9 to class 12, these schools will remain open, but for vaccination drives only. Otherwise, we are taking precaution that it should not spread like wildfire in the schools. Secondly, we are also started that in public places where huge gatherings happen, like beaches or say Marine Drive or Carter Road or say Gateway of India, these places we have put a curfew from 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. Through section 144 by Mumbai Police, where we said the gathering will not be permitted. So these bare minimum precautions we have taken, and I'm sure this will help us a lot.